Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the cutest crochet patterns inspired by Jellycat toys. If like me you love Jellycats, then you probably know just how expensive they can be. So hopefully this video can help you grow your collection without breaking the bank. There are also some great gift ideas, which is very helpful on the run up to Christmas. And while I show you everything that I found, I'm going to be testing one of the patterns, so make sure you stay until the end to see how it turns out. You'll be able to find all of the pattern links in the description, and we're going to start by going through all of the free patterns. First up, we have this super cute cloud, which is by 𝗃𝗱𝗲 They've designed multiple free Jellycat patterns, so make sure you check them out. Next up, we have an adorable star, a small sun by Zach, and a snowball. This coffee cup is adorable. All of these patterns have super cute face details. This fluffy peanut is by Spammy Crochets, and is definitely one of my favorites. We have another peanut pattern. This one is very Christmassy and inspired by Rudolph the reindeer, and would make a great ornament. Sticking to the festive theme, we have these cute little Christmas trees. These look really similar to the Jellycat Christmas tree designs, and if you wanted to, it would be quite easy to add the tiny legs at the front yourself. For our last festive pattern, we have another Christmas tree, and this one is by Wonder Crochet. This tiny avocado keychain is adorable, and it's by the Teddy Kingdom. Next, we have two different marshmallow patterns, and I'm making one of them in this video. We have another two macaron patterns, and then three different birthday cakes. I think that all of these are adorable, and the final one is also a box, which is really cool. We have a tiny croissant, a chunky pumpkin, some acorns, and a blueberry. Next we have some hearts, and this tutorial shows you how to make a cushion, plushies, and a keychain. We have one more heart pattern, and I love how fluffy it is. These chunky bunny teddies are adorable, and the tutorial is really detailed. We have another bunny pattern. This time it's a keychain, and it also comes with a bear as well. For our final free pattern, we have these super cute crocheted accessories for your Jellycat bunnies. Now we're going to be moving on to all of the paid patterns, and we're starting off with this super tiny toast, followed by this super cute slice of bread bag. We have a sandwich pattern, which is really cool because it's made separately and you can take out the fillings. Next is this toast and egg bundle, and then we have a coffee and cookies collection, a piece of sushi, two very different birthday cake patterns. This is one of my favorites. It's a chocolate tart, and it looks almost exactly the same to the Jellycat one. We have a couple more tarts. This time they are berry themed. We also have a small pancake stack, a chunky peanut, an aubergine, a dumpling, some ginger, an adorable fluffy mushroom, and a pretzel. I found lots of different fruit themed patterns, and some Christmassy ones. We have a candy cane, a peppermint, and a festive wreath. Next we have a bunch of cute objects, the first being a small mug, some potted flowers, a lipstick with eyelashes, and a tennis ball. Next we have a super cute no-sew chunky sun, and we also have a tiny version. We also have happy and sad clouds, and an adorable moon, which I definitely am planning on making myself. It can also be turned into a bag, which is amazing. Next we have this super cute fuzzy strawberry bear. For our final two patterns, we have dragons. This first fluffy one is by Innocent Teddies, and I love how it doesn't look like crochet. This final pattern is by Blooming Crochet Boutique. I love how massive it is, and I think it's super cute. Those were all of the Jellycat inspired crochet patterns that I found. This is how my marshmallow turned out. I had to embroider the face because I ran out of safety eyes, but I still think it turned out really well. If you plan on making any of these patterns, then let me know in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another pattern video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.